Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a major XCN coin update, the latest chart breakout, and a bold price prediction for 2025. So stick around if you're holding XCN or thinking of buying in. XCN has just broken out of a falling wedge pattern, which could signal a major bullish move. After testing resistance for nearly 2 months, we saw a clean breakout, and now the price is consolidating in a mini triangle. If XCN breaks out to the upside from here, the short-term target is a 15% pump, but if the full wedge pattern plays out, we could be looking at a 170% rally. Also, the MACD on the one-day chart is showing signs of a bullish crossover. If this locks in with a couple more green candles, we could see a strong upward move very soon. Now, let's talk 2025. Using Fibonacci levels, analysts are eyeing major targets: $0.036. 5 cents, $0.115, and long-term, possibly 35 cents if market conditions support a full bull cycle. Plus, the Fear and Greed Index recently hit extreme fear, historically a signal that the market is near the bottom and ready for a turnaround. If you're bullish on XCN like we are, now might be the time to watch closely. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next crypto update. See you in the next video.